Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. Today I'm going to share with you another family favorite recipe that is packed with flavor that will surely stimulate your palate. Curry chicken wings. If you're ready to get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's go. Let's start off with about 2 pounds of chicken wings. Look at how nice and meaty they are. I'm going to marinate the wings now. First, what we're going to use is about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine. Any brand will do. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce. And half a tablespoon of pure sesame oil. Now go ahead and mix it up. Put the wings in a Ziploc bag. Make sure to include the juice. Now seal it up. Massage it a little and place in the fridge overnight to marinate. Now for the veggies. 4 ribs of celery. I like to use the pre-cut baby carrots because I'm lazy and don't have to cut them. About 20 will be fine. 1 red pepper. 1 large onion, and about 5 small potatoes. If you use the large, then about 2 will be fine. What I'm going to do is dice them all up. As you can see, the potatoes are diced and placed in a separate bowl soaked in water. Look at how beautiful the colors are. Now let's get ready to cook. Here we have the chicken wings that have been marinating overnight. What I'm going to do is strain in here. Make sure to keep the juice. After that, we are going to grill the wings to a golden brown. Very flavorful. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. Okay, it's cooking time. Pour in about 3 tablespoons of veggie oil in a hot pan and grill the wings. Make sure to grill them each side until they're golden brown. Now transfer them into a separate wok, turn on the flames, and add about 2 cups of water. Place the diced potatoes in a separate pan and boil them until the potatoes are fork tender. Grill the veggies until they are fork tender. Transfer them into the wok with the chicken wings. For the curry, this is the Golden Curry. It's the brand that I like. Japanese curry mix, hot flavor. The flavor is heavy cumin and ginger with a very traditional curry powder flavor. It also packs some heat, but not overpowering. I only need to use 1 square of this. That's more than enough. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. One tablespoon of pure sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of MSG. Now just mix it up. We're going to simmer this for about 15 minutes or so, covered in medium heat. Now you're going to throw in the marinade juice from the chicken wings to give that extra flavor. Just look at how beautiful and vibrant it is. Okay, we are in the stretch run. Now it's time to throw in the cooked diced potatoes that I strained on the side. Finish it off with mixing in the cornstarch roux. It consists of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Pour it in, mix it well. Voila! You have curry chicken wings. Delightful. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on how to make a family favorite, curry chicken wings. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.